Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into two popular soups from the East Sea of Korea, Mukbang and Mulmegietang. It's easy to get these mixed up, but it's important to know that Mugam and Mulmegi are actually different fish, and most of the soups you'll find in Korea are made with Mugam. Let's explore the unique qualities of Mukbang and how to enjoy it. First, let's clarify the difference. Mugam and Mulmegi are not the same fish. In Korea, Mukbang is typically made with mugam. Mugam, native to rivers and lakes in East Asia, has a thicker body and a richer flavor. On the other hand, Mulmegi is native to Southeast Asia and has a softer, oilier flesh. Features of Mukbang. Tender meat. Mugam has tender flesh that slips down easily, making it perfect for a morning hangover remedy. You don't need to chew much, it goes down smoothly. Texture. The skin of Mugam has a mucilaginous texture, which can be polarizing. Some people really enjoy this unique texture, while others might not. How to make Mukbang. 1. Prepare the ingredients. Clean the mugam thoroughly. Typically, the head and body of the fish are used. 2. Prepare the broth. Boil water in a large pot and add the mugam. Let it simmer until the fish is fully cooked, usually around 1 hour. 3. Add seasonings. Add minced garlic, ginger, green onions, salt, and pepper to taste. For added depth, you can also include kelp or anchovies. 4. Finish. Adjust the seasoning with more salt and pepper as needed. Once the broth is rich and flavorful. How to enjoy Mukbang. With rice. Mukbang is especially delicious when enjoyed with warm rice. Mixing the rice into the soup makes for a hearty meal, with side dishes. Pairing the soup with kimchi or a fresh green onion salad complements the rich broth wonderfully. Mukbang is a beloved Korean soup, known for its tender meat and distinctive texture. If you ever get the chance to try it in Korea, be sure to savor its unique taste and special qualities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.